Hey guys, it's Trimatize. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. Let's jump right into this one. So today I'm showing you guys how to create this beautiful eyeshadow look perfect for Valentine's Day. As usual, I'm starting off with my brows. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my brows, I do have one link down in the description and one is going to be up in the cards as well. To begin, I like to prime my eyes with concealer. The one I'm using today is the e.l.f. concealer. So to those who are new to my channel, I do have hooded eyes. So every single eyeshadow I will be placing will be above my natural crease. Using this shade called Jezebel, I make sure I blend everything seamlessly over the eyelid before I go in with the second color to deepen up the crease. This shade is actually called Kenya from the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. I use this color just to deepen the crease before I go ahead with the cut crease. You see me go back in with the first shade called Jezebel just to make sure everything blends seamlessly over the eyelid. Going back in and using that same e.l.f. concealer as an outline, then using a small flat brush to ensure that I take my time while cutting my crease. Now I do have to go over my natural crease, as I said, because I have hooded eyes, in order for you to see that cut crease. After filling in the shape, I go in to pat down that concealer just a bit to make sure it dries down. Then I blend the edges with my finger before I go in with a darker shade. And using a small tapered blending brush, I use this color to blend out the edge of the cut crease. With a flat brush, I'm using this beautiful rose gold shade from the Zulu palette on my lid. And to make sure I get that gradient blend, I'm going back in with the Jezebel shade to marry these two colors together. I'm going in with this darker shade just to touch it up a tad bit, but we are basically done with the cut crease. Going in with my eyeliner to create a short wing, then mascara to coat my non-existent lashes. I'm adding some false lashes and then a liner to my bottom lid. And last but not least, I'm going in with that Jezebel shade from the Nubian 2 palette and some mascara to bring the look together. So my lovelies, how did I do? Ooh. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you like this look. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts down in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, stay safe and stay blessed. See you in the next one.